Stevon, Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. I want to share with you my top 5 reasons to be a content creator on YouTube. Share my experience with my channel. Make sure you stay with me all the way through till the end. I'm going to share something I know you've never heard, A.I.A. You do not want to miss this one. Let's get into it. So as you know, being a successful content creator on YouTube is becoming more and more popular. There's plenty of reasons to do just that. These are a few that stood out for me. Let me know in the comment section what stands out most for you. Starting with number 5, working back to number 1. So my top reason, number 5, to start a YouTube channel, to be a content creator, is that it's owned by Google. Everybody knows that Google is one of the largest search engines on the internet. And so the question comes up, is it too late to get started? Check this out. I did some research. It says YouTube will be a global multimedia company that helps connect people through the power of video. It will become an essential, and I would say that it's already an essential part of daily life for billions of users in every country worldwide. YouTube will continue to be the place where people go to get informative educational material and to be entertained, and the list goes on. YouTube is here to stay. So consider that. This is one of the reasons to go ahead and be a content creator on YouTube. It is worldwide. You have an opportunity to reach a global market. Maybe that's you. Maybe you wanted to reach somebody with your passion, your gifts. And we're going to talk more about that in a minute. So what about you? Think about the content that you're bringing. Everyone has different content. As content creators, we all have a different variety. There's never an oversaturated market. There's billions of people out there. We bring different aspects of the same content. We bring our own personality to it. And so the content that you create may be specifically for a different audience. It may be for a certain target audience. Either way, this thing that I've learned in my research, think about it. Google owns YouTube. YouTube and Google, #1 top search engine on the internet. It's here to stay. So it's never too late. This is a great time to go ahead and get started. Owned by Google, here to stay. Go ahead and get started. You can get started today. All you got to do is put your mind to it. One of my affirmations says, there's nothing impossible for me. I can do all things through the power of God within me that I am. So create a mindset affirmation that it's never too late for you to get started. It's owned by Google and it's here to stay. My top reason, number 4, to be a content creator on YouTube is because of the increase in remote learning, remote working, even just owning a home-based business. More individuals are turning into a home-based business working from home. Internet is upgrading. The evolution of our internet system, digital marketing, the whole technology, the way it's evolving. This is one of the great times to be on YouTube as a content creator. Everyone is on some type of mobile device. Everyone's on the internet. They have their mobile devices. More and more people are finding YouTube. They are finding articles on YouTube, and that next video could be the one for you. That next one could be the one for me. So think about that. Remote learning, remote working, and even having a online presence, a home-based business. And it also depends on when you're watching this. If you're watching this in the time of a shutdown or a lockdown, a lot of people during that time went through remote learning. A lot of things started happening where people started realizing that they could do more online. As a matter of fact, in my YouTube journey, it wasn't until the world went through a little shutdown that I was able to redefine my channel, redefine what I wanted to do on my channel for my YouTube journey. I said to myself, this is a great time for me to get out there and share my gift with you. So that's another reason to go ahead and get started. Remote learning. More and more individuals doing things online from the comfort of your own home. Home-based business, entrepreneurship, that's increasing more and more. And that's a great time to be on YouTube. YouTube for life. YouTube is here to stay. My top reason, number 3, to be a content creator on YouTube is that after you upload your videos, they'll work for you 24/7. Now this falls more in line with those of us who have products that we offer through links in our description. 24/7, even while we're sleeping, our audios and videos can bring in the traffic that we need. It can bring in that revenue. It can bring in those incomes that we've set up. Some of you right now listening and watching this, you put in those investments. I want to encourage you. Those things will begin to bring back big gains. We don't give up, because after you upload that video, we work 24/7 for you to bring in those gains, those subscribers, those clients. So what I've learned to do in my channel, I've learned to not get discouraged when I may upload a video. I remember one time I uploaded a video, it got half the amount of views that it usually would get, but I knew it was a powerful video, so I didn't give up on it. And it took about 3, maybe 4 months before it reached that right target audience and it started jumping up and getting those views. So think about that. After you upload it, it'll begin to work for you 24/7. And even if it takes 3 or 4 months down the line, that video, those links in your description, your message, your passion, your things that you're sharing in that video, it will reach those target audience for 24/7. It will work for you even when you're not working because you've already put in the time. That is the beauty of having a YouTube channel. That is the power of being a content creator. I have this affirmation that I say, I'm becoming an excellent money manager. My money works for me. So you'll be able to say that the investments you put in your channel, the links that you have in the descriptions of your videos will continue to bring in the result that you need right here on YouTube. Now, before we go to this next one, I just want to take a little time and say thank you to all of my subscribers, all of my viewers, you right now coming in, taking the time, interacting, the Cash App donations, making comments, all of that really pays off. So I really appreciate that. If this is your first time, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, subscribe, become a part of the family. Love to have you here at Next Level. You have the opportunity to share your passion, your purpose, the things that you enjoy doing. You can share that with the world, no matter how extravagant it may be. There's somebody out there who will enjoy that and connect with that, just like you. Sharing the gifts that you have. Even myself, I'm a recording artist. One of my gifts is music. Singing my song, doing my thing. Next level power, babe. I do things like that, so I may want to share that passion with you. Doing your thing. You may be in the arts craft, whatever you're doing. That is the power of being a content creator right here on YouTube. You get to share your passion, the things that excites you, the things that bring you joy. There's other things that people come to you because they know you've got the answer to their problem. You get to share all of that. So think about that in your channel. What's some of the things that you enjoy doing? Being a content creator, being a YouTuber, sharing your purpose. One of my purposes, my passion is to encourage you. The hell that I've been through. I always say that after hell is done its worst, I'll still be at my best. So one of my passions is to share my motivation, my gift, my inspiration, and the fact that we can advance every part of our life to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it. To the next level in our business mindset, YouTube, being a content creator. We want to go to the next level in everything that we do. Mindset, next level mindset. Think about that, your passion, your purpose. You get to do all of that right here on YouTube as a content creator. And out of all of the years that I've been doing things online, sharing my work, sharing my business, I haven't seen anything like YouTube that gives me the opportunity to share what I'm doing with the world. My number one top reason to be a content creator on YouTube is it's free. It's free to get started. This is the only place where you can bring your gifts, your talents, your benefits, outweighing the risk. And the reason they do it for free is because they have an opportunity to use your content to bring in ads for them. Think about the rising cost, everything going up, inflation, and all these things. Free sounds pretty good to me. Just like starting a business, investment is really in yourself. That's why I put it like that, free to get started, because I've invested in ring lights, I've invested in microphones. As you continue to grow in this journey, you'll begin to invest in certain things for your channel. But the main thing is, it doesn't cost anything to get started. You can do it for free. That's a great reason to get started. Be a content creator right here on YouTube. The main thing that's going to cost you is maybe some time, your effort, your energy. You can get started with your iPhone. You can get started with what you have. When I think about that, think about the different investments that you would have to invest in certain business enterprises. And a lot of people see all of the other content creators. I used to think the same thing when I relaunched my channel in 2021. I relaunched my channel and I was thinking, I wonder if I'm too late. Everything was starting to take off. I started seeing other channels and I began to realize, you know what? As long as there's passion in my heart, remember we talked about sharing your passion? As long as I have something that I want to share, it's never too late. One of my favorite sayings is that it's never too late to do the right thing and you're never too old to follow your dreams. So just go ahead and get started. Get started. Let me be an example to you that it's never too late. You'll never regret it. Now, I do have some extra bonus points. I told you I was going to share something A.I.A. But if you've enjoyed this so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let other people know this video, this video. It'll let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button for me. Thank you. Now, this first bonus point I want to share with you deals with A.I.A. I know you've never heard that before. It's an acronym that I created here. It stands for Artificial Intelligent Amnesia. And the thing about it is that the artificial intelligence system, the YouTube system, if we're not careful and don't continue to upload videos to our channel, it will develop what's called artificial intelligent amnesia, where it forgets what you're doing. So maybe you've already started and you took a break and you've been on a break for a while and your thing is not really starting, your thing is restarting, like myself. The good thing about it is that once you start getting back into it, you can get the system back in tune. The YouTube system will begin to remember what your content is about. So keep that in mind. Don't get caught with A.I.A, artificial intelligent amnesia. But if you do, just get back up, start back. It's never too late. You can do it. If I can do it, you can too. This next bonus point that I want to share with you, it deals with the idea of experimenting. A lot of things that I might say over here on my channel may not necessarily work for your channel. There's a lot of things that you're going to pick up from different content creators who may share different ideas. Be willing to experiment, because not everything that works for one channel will necessarily work for the next one. And what I've learned to do in my channel, I've learned to experiment with certain things, take those risks. In fact, when I first did my relaunch on my YouTube channel, I remember seeing bigger YouTube channels doing those long intros, and I did it for a little while, but I realized that that's not gonna work for me because nobody really knew who I was. I had to get right into my content right away. So experiment with different things. You may have an intro, you may not want an intro. You may want to do something that I did earlier, just coming in with a certain, just to hook certain viewers. Figure out what works best for you. That is what has helped me on my journey in my YouTube channel. I had to really decide what works best for me, because not everything that works for everyone is going to work for you. So experimentation. This next bonus point that I want to share with you, it deals mostly with the idea of being a YouTube content creator. Maybe you're watching this and you've already decided you're ready to do this thing. You've got the reasons to be a content creator. You don't need any more reasons to get started. Maybe you're getting a restart. You already made your mind up and this thing is for you. Check this video out right here. 3 mindset methods every YouTuber needs to succeed. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that video out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Stay blessed, stay positive, and remember, there's nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.